Hi everyone, I wanted to make this video regarding part 2 final project for Word. So I have the directions on the left and then I have my screen over here on the right. So let's get going with the first thing. So I'm not going to save it the way it is here. You need to because it's part of the rubric, because I'm going to name it something else. Change the orientation of your page to landscape. So if you go up here to layout, orientation, landscape, that's all you have to do. And you can always move the bar down here. Using WordArt, add the following title: New Computers. I'm going to go home. WordArt is this A right here. And so you can pick one that you like. And pick this one. And centered. I'm going to go here. New Computers. It's kind of small. Okay. Place WordArt at the top of the document, centered. I did. Format your title by adding 2 WordArt style effects. So you're going to come up here and highlight these. WordArt style effects. Okay. Shadow, reflection. Okay, so that's that one. Go here, drop down. Glow. Remember, it needs to be professional looking. No, I like that one. Okay, that's a little fuzzy, but top, format your title by adding to insert an appropriate image of your computer choice. And I have previously went online. See if it's still up. Yeah. And did a search for laptops. And so I kind of like this one. So I'm going to come up here, right click, copy the image, come back over here, paste it in. Now, oops, wrong one. Let's see, appropriate by position the image below your title and the size image. So if you click here and you hit middle, center right there, the center button, let's get rid of this extra line. This is a little small when you look at the words, so all you have to do is make it a little bigger. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 done. Create a table that has 2 columns and 3 rows. Okay, insert table, 2 columns, 3 rows, and include specifications for the computer. All right, now in your directions, there is, yeah, don't worry about that, that's wrong. I'm doing this right. I put zigged when I should have zagged. Right here I have this computer information, and if you click on that, you will get this. So these are your specs: processors, RAM, hard drives. This is a desktop. This is a laptop. So you could put in, let's see, hard drive and 2 terabytes. There's 2 ways of doing this: RPM, SATA. First I have to learn how to type. The next one is OS operating system. Tab, and then over here, click on this, Control C, or just hit copy, come over here, and paste it in. Now make sure your fonts match. That's Verdania this Calibri. So just be mindful of that because you will lose points. If they're off, okay, and one more RAM. And place it over here. One of the reasons it's good to copy and paste is that way you don't make any spelling errors on it. Okay, so now we're going to go back to Word. Create a table that has 2 columns and 3. Apply a table style of your choice. Okay, so you're going to have to highlight it. Table style. See up here, you barely see it. Table tools, design. See where it says table styles. Should go with the color that you have. Doesn't have to be, but I have to see they actually did a table. That looks cool. Use a different font. Okay, what this is Vidania 36. If you go home, okay, so this is a 12. So you need a different font. So we're going to highlight here. Something that appeals to you. See, that makes it hard to read, so don't do that one. Bell. Oh, that one works. Okay, change the color of the text to match your table style. Well, we kind of did it together when we chose this. Now, create a bullet list of the software titles that have been purchased to go with the new computers. You're going to have to be creative. Use the third font and change the color of the text. Alright, so this one is Arial Unicode. This one's Verdania. An old style. Software to go with computers. Okay, at least 2 images of. Create a bullet list of the software titles that have been purchased with new computers. Use the third font, change the color of the text. Okay, so two computer software. I'm going to take bulleted list. So you come up here to bullets. I have that one. The way you can use this one, you can use that one. There's another one. So click there. I kind of like that one. 2 images of software. Use the third font. Okay, that's Verdania. We've had Verdania right here. So Harrington. It's kind of jazzy. I'm looking. I've forgotten about you. Comic Sans. I like Comic Sans. Alright. Use the third font. Change the color of the text. Okay, third font. Change the color of the text. Something that goes along with what we're doing. I'm going to do purple. How's that? Now, software. Two images of software products they're going to purchase. So Microsoft Office and what? My brain's drawing a blank. Is Adobe Ready? You're going to buy software. You're going to buy, AVG antivirus. Alright. And so, Microsoft Office. I'm going to go into here. AVG. see, except for okay, it's right here. There's one. Let's see. Right click, copy the image. Come over here, do a space, and paste it in. Let's see what we get. Okay. We'll play with its positioning in a minute. Microsoft Office. Alright, here's one. Okay, that's a link. We don't want links. Copy image. Okay, so right there. Paste, space, paste. Alright. Now this needs to get a little smaller. Right here's where your wrap text is. Let's bring that back up. By changing the wrap text. So here and there's that. Now, if I do that way, that brings it up there, but that also brings this. So let's keep playing. If we do this, no, here, nope. Well, left click and hold and drag it. Here, this needs to be bigger. Alright, so then left click and hold on the diagram. Okay, so we made that 16. We need to make this 16 as well. And then we need to bring okay, it's looking for space room. No, not interested. No. No. I always forget which one this means, so I always have to play. Okay, see, I clicked that one. This went down here. Left click and hold. Oh. Okay, that would work. Let's see. Add appropriate picture styles. Alright. Right click. Format the picture. What's this? You can go to Format Text Effects, maybe, and get this done. And let's see. That's it. This is what's worth 100 points. Let me get this off of here. Okay. So, title, computer, table, and playing with this. And save it as you need to. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.